Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Sloppy Joe croissant cups. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 can of Sloppy Joe sauce, 1 pound of ground beef, 4 slices of American cheese, 1 tube of the croissant dough sheet. We're also going to need garlic powder, onion powder, ground black pepper, and I'm using adobo all-purpose seasoning, or you can use the seasoning of your choice. Okay guys, so for my seasonings, I'm using 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of adobo. So next, we're going to go ahead and season our ground beef. And all you want to do is mix your meat until it's well combined. Okay, you want to put your frying pan on medium-low heat, and we're going to begin to add our ground beef in. What I'm going to do is go ahead and break it up. Once your ground beef is done cooking, we're going to remove it from our frying pan and drain any excess grease. Okay, once the excess grease has been drained, you want to return it back to your frying pan. We're going to add in our Sloppy Joe sauce. Just going to mix that up. Mix everything well and let that cook for about 3 minutes. You can also put your oven on at 375 degrees. Now put your Sloppy Joe in a bowl and set it to the side. Next, take your 4 slices of cheese, and we're just going to cut to make it into 4 squares. Now we're going to open our croissant dough sheet and spread it out. Once you have it rolled out, we're going to take a pizza cutter, go down the middle, right down here, and straight across. That'll give you 8 pieces. Okay guys, next you get your muffin tin and just sit your dough inside of it. Next, we're going to go ahead and take a piece of cheese and we're going to place it on the bottom. Now we're going to take our Sloppy Joe mix. We're going to spoon it into each muffin tin. About 2 tablespoons. Once you're done with that, we're going to go ahead and take another slice of cheese and we're just going to top all of them. Now we're going to place it into our oven, 375 degrees, for 14 to 18 minutes. Okay guys, so they're now done. I'm just going to wait a few minutes before I remove them from the muffin pan. Okay guys, so here are our Sloppy Joe crescent cups. Okay guys, so this is great to make when you're watching the football game. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.